Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how you can make a delicious chocolate icebox pie. Mother's Day is right around the corner and this is perfect for just that. So, without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, here's all the ingredients here that I'm going to be using to make my chocolate icebox pie. We need some Cool Whip. I have a total of 2 cups of milk. We need a box of chocolate pudding. You need a chocolate pie crust and also 8 ounces of cream cheese. I have another Cool Whip topping in the fridge that we're going to use for the top. I'm going to keep that in there because we need that for the top. We don't want it to get soft. So, but we're going to go ahead and get started and start to put together this icebox pie. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do to make our delicious chocolate icebox pie is whip up our cream cheese. Now what I didn't share with you guys on the camera is that I did add in 1 cup of powdered sugar to the cream cheese, gave that a good mix, and then I set it to the side. So now we are working on the chocolate pudding mix, and what I will say is just to follow the instructions on the side of the box. But it says to use a whisk, but I like to use a hand mixer because I found that a hand mixer makes the chocolate pudding get thicker very quickly, as opposed to using a whisk. You will be all day literally whisking away. Okay, so use a hand mixer guys, it will go a lot quicker. So once that comes together and starts to thicken, you want to go ahead and add in your cream cheese mixture and give that a good mix as well. So once you give that a good mix, we are going to add in our Cool Whip. Now, you guys can see that it is still somewhat thick, meaning the chocolate pudding mix. So the Cool Whip is going to kind of help everything kind of mellow down and get nice and creamy, okay? So go definitely scrape down your side, and you want to fold that in, okay? So that you don't pop all of the air that's in the Cool Whip and make it flat, okay? So fold that into your chocolate pudding mix. And I am making 2 pies today because me and Nyla are gonna enjoy a pie, of course, and the other is gonna be for Mother's Day, okay? So I'm doing a chocolate pie, a chocolate crust, and a regular graham cracker crust, okay? So just a FYI, this pie will be good in the freezer up to 3 months, okay? Long as it's covered and wrapped up good, it'll be good in the freezer up to 3 months. So once you get that into your crust and smoothed out, we are going to work on the shaving, the topping that is, and I'm using a regular Hershey bar to get that, okay? So don't come for me in those comments talking about you didn't wear a glove because you changed the chocolate. This is for my household, me and my daughter, and we are gonna eat these pies regardless, okay? So anyway, go ahead and sprinkle that chocolate on top, cut you a slice, and enjoy. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you of how to make a delicious chocolate icebox pie. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Later.